Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about system of pair of linear equations in two variables. Firstly, we will recall the general form of linear equations in two variables which we have studied in class 9th. That is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, x and y are variables, or we can say a and b are coefficients of x and y respectively. This we have already studied in class 9. In class 9 we have studied about its graph also. Graph of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is always straight line, that we have done already in previous class. Presently we are going to learn about pair of linear equations in two variables. Now I am going to write the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, where a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are real numbers. Now let's discuss about system of pair of linear equations in two variables. There are three conditions. These all three conditions I will explain with the help of table. In first column I am going to write condition. In second column I am going to write about their graph. In third column I am going to write number of solutions. In fourth column I am going to write what kind of pair it is. Let's see. First condition: if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then these two lines intersect each other in a same graph. That's why I am writing here intersecting lines. And they are intersecting at one point. That's why there is a unique solution. That's why I am writing here 1. If there is at least one solution, then that pair is called consistent pair or dependent pair. Now let's see second condition. If a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. If you draw these two lines in the same graph, then both the lines overlap each other. That's why we can say both the lines are coincident lines. And both are overlapping each other. As we studied in class 9, every linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. That's why number of solutions will be infinite. Just now I told, if there is at least one solution, that pair is called consistent or dependent. So that's why I'm writing here consistent or dependent. Now let's see the last situation, that is if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Now in this situation, if you draw these two lines in the same graph, then they don't intersect each other, nothing but both are parallel lines in the graph. So I am writing here parallel lines. Their graph will be parallel lines. And number of solutions, if both are parallel lines, so obviously there is no single solution. That's why I am writing here no solution. Here 0 solutions are there. That's why this pair is called inconsistent pair or independent pair. In the next video, I am going to explain these conditions with the help of examples. Thank you everyone.